Hi, I'm Mark. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access and remove the fuel lines on your string trimmer. I'll begin by removing the carburetor from the tool. I'll remove the air filter base. And now I can disconnect the fuel lines and the throttle cable. Before doing this repair, you'll need to drain the fuel from the fuel tank, which I've already done. With the carburetor out of the way, now I have access to the fuel lines and the fuel tank grommet. I'll use a small screwdriver to remove the grommet from the tank. I'll remove the line clamps from each of the fuel lines, the tank breather, and the fuel filter. In this case, the return line has a plastic nipple that goes through the grommet. I've removed that as an assembly. Now remove the nipple from the fuel line and remove the clamp. I'll pull the fuel line away from the grommet. If the fuel line doesn't want to pull free, like in this case, I'll apply a little 2-cycle oil to it. And now you know how to access and remove the fuel lines in your string trimmer.